What is Valkyria? Valkyria is a steel roller coaster located at Liseberg in Gothenburg, Sweden. The ride open to the public as Europe's tallest and longest dive coaster, a type of ride defined by one element, its signature vertical drop. Here, riders are hung over the edge of the huge first drop for several seconds, all before they experience a sheer 90-degree plummet down towards the ground below. Manufactured by Bolliger & Mabillard, Valkyria opened to the public on the 10th of August 2018 after several weeks of delays. Vertical construction began in the early months of 2017, with the ride originally intended to open towards the start of Liseberg's 2018 season in late April. However, constructing the small underground tunnel found at the bottom of the first drop proved difficult for the park, pushing back the ride's opening date. Construction was finished on the 29th of May 2018, allowing for the ride to open after several months of testing. Interestingly, Valkyria replaced a former roller coaster at the park, Kanonen, a hydraulic launch coaster constructed by Intamin. Opened in 2005, the attraction featured a compact inversion-based layout utilizing only a small footprint. After close to 11 years of operation, Kanonen closed in December of 2016, making way for Valkyria's station to be built on the same spot. On top of being a record-breaking ride, the debut of Valkyria was also part of a multi-year, park-wide investment worth 250 million Swedish krona. This included the construction of new rides, restaurants, games and shops, as well as the retheming of existing attractions within the area. Liseberg began this process with the construction of Loki, a huge Intamin gyro swing, back in 2017. This was followed by the opening of Valkyria and the retheming of its neighbouring roller coaster, Boulder, in 2018. With this, an entirely new themed area had been created, Myths and Legends. The three main rides within this land were all themed to Norse mythology, each representing a different part of the Nordic universe. Valkyria specifically is themed to the flight of the Valkyrie, a winged creature from Norse mythology tasked with deciding which warriors will die in battle and then taking a select few of them to the afterlife, Valhalla. The ride's first drop is said to place guests as a Valkyrie, allowing them to swoop onto the battlefield and collect fallen warriors. The remainder of the roller coaster's layout represents the Valkyrie's long journey back to Valhalla. To begin their ride, guests enter the huge Norse-themed station building and traverse the queue line. Various props, including swords and shields, can be seen around the queue, eventually leading guests towards the station platform. At this point, they board one of three ride vehicles. Each train features 3 rows of 6 riders, leading to a total of 18 guests per train. Once ready, the trains leave the station building and immediately begin climbing the 47-meter tall lift hill. Visitors navigate a flat 90-degree right-hand turn before cresting the edge of the 50-meter drop. Riders are held over the drop for several seconds, waiting for their ride to begin. After what seems like minutes, they quickly plummet down the 90-degree descent. Guests dive underground through a short tunnel, reaching a top speed of 105 km per hour. At this point, riders climb into their first inversion, an immelman. The trains then navigate a sweeping left-hand turn, followed by a fast overbank turn, interestingly dubbed the horseshoe. Riders then complete a zero-G roll, followed by an upwards 270-degree helix, nicknamed the 8 curve. Guests traverse a small airtime hill and a left-hand turn, leading them into the attraction's third and final inversion, a barrel roll. At this point, the ride comes to an end with a small right-hand turn, taking guests into the final brake run. During the entire experience, visitors navigate a total of 750 meters of track in approximately 33 seconds of actual ride time. This relatively short length allows the attraction to have a maximum theoretical capacity of roughly 1,100 riders per hour. All in all, Valkyria has been well received. Many enjoy the ride's snappy and somewhat forceful layout, as well as its interesting combination of inversions and turns. The attraction's signature element, its huge 90-degree drop, provides guests with a quick, high adrenaline thrill and an experience that cannot be found on any of Liseberg's other rides. On top of this, the train's vest restraints have been improved over previous versions. As guests peer over the drop, their restraint allows them to move forwards in their seat, exaggerating the falling feeling before the ride even begins. It's safe to say that the park has set a new standard with their latest large edition. Not only is Valkyria a solid roller coaster, but it provides visitors with a standard of theming which is unmatched throughout Sweden as a whole. Therefore, in the future, would you like to see Liseberg continue to focus more on creating well-themed attractions? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all next time.